Let's go, Jacko. There you go. The show is already started. I want to know for Jacko to your TV. Hello, now let's join our exciting word, gossip. Gossip is our super translate kakaroon. Scientifically, is nakakaliwa ng balita. Common inhabitant sa Roman and forest areas of Great Coast of Australia. They are made of birds that can mimic almost any sound. These include seeds, nuts, fruits, such as papaya, jungle and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think gossip has to do with the reading object? If it's yesterday, you can do it, Blacktail. That's what you can do it. Come in on the grass. And we got it. Everyone knows what we're going to do. Our beautiful pair of knockoffs. And today, they will battle out to see who's the best in basketball game. But before I start this battle, I'll be inviting you into two girls. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy, Sassy. How about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky. Rocky, Rocky. Alright, we're ready. Trainers ready. Set, go. Here's some first ball. Okay, Sassy. Second ball for Rocky. It's up time and for the last ball. Yes! What a close game. Trainer Rocky, you lose this time. What can you say about that? Here's some first ready. Oh, look at that. We're talking. Sassy, bring up the praise of the season. Oh, never is that. And she will show us how to tell she eats by putting the sheet back into the restaurant. Just like Sassy. Naming a hall is from South America. We are known to the Devil Challenge of the Pirate Family. It is because we are the second largest next to the highest in the hall. They grow 2% centimeter again and can take up to 8 years old. 20 bikini anak luar pera. They include seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. And for the last shape, a swirl. There you go, it's done and right. Around the clock for Sassy, the trainer Mikey. Well, you guys, over. What you going to play? I think it's Somali. And like that. And I think Robbie will. Good night to money around the motor color. Nice, one more. How about on your hand, please hold your palm. Look at the camera and smile. Alright, here's our money. And as you can see, we have our homemade pizza. Homemade pizza is really There's generally first, fruits, nuts, and meat. Around the block for wrappers and our homemade. Very good. It's alright. If the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen.
Chinese have female. Something like a cinema here. Everybody knows where her shape is so reacts. Wow, how with that? Her name is Isis Rialore. And her is saying hi. And one on the other side is the youngest female. Something like a cinema here. And that makes her the key attack. Wow, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ira. Good. Say hello. Alright guys, let's continue. So guys, today I'm going to I want to go big or better than the mama. Any other numbers? Well, what's that sound? Any numbers? Sure. Not only the two titles, and our brothers were up to be this. They have better than this. Beach traffic on scale. Rocky Glass. Wow, check this out. Here is song from Nicholas. And now, let's talk about the sugar and meat. And let's start with that. Nicky, you tell. How was it? Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2. This time, could you please turn our Sinan President salute in yellow green? Everybody please salute and make this one out. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now, let it count. 1, 2, 3. Salute, everybody. Thank you so much. See that other over here to search and record with us. And again! That's right, he's headed! And he's ready for this for the cruising. And everyone, to rest, keep on ahead! So winners who are next to the ball, how do you think they can go? It's a ball winner! Kimberly Solskjaer! Careful! Second, fantastic! How about the winner of the first and grand? And to the winner! Let's move it! And now show them the sideways down. And now we're dancing. Rock and roll like this. And turn it to the top. Turn to your body. Do it, turn it. Next to the fingers. And around the world, good now. Round and round. And one on the other side, round and round. Now, ladies, let's do that again. Take it back. Take it back. And whatever we shake those booties. Shake those, yeah. And keep on rolling. Now, ladies, show them what you've got. People on the ground, be ready for you. Wow, these service are. Steady,